All right, happy new year, everyone. We're jumping into a new unit, which means, hey, let's take some notes. All right. So we are going to start on linear relationships. Ton of vocabulary that goes with this. Oh my goodness. But what you're going to want to do is you're going to take notes and we will turn those in. So, linear relationships. The big thing that we're going to talk about here is slope, which is also known as rate of change. Okay. And there's a couple of different ways we're going to look at this. It all talks about the same thing, but slope is rise over run. Okay. So burn that into the brain. Slope is rise over run, or the change in y over the change in x. Notice we have a ratio, a comparison of two things. Okay. Now we've got some basic ideas of how we look at slope. Okay. Let's do those. Okay. We have positive slope, negative slope. We have zero slope, and we have undefined. Okay. Now, slope, when you look at it, it's looking at a line on a graph. Okay. It's looking at a line on a graph. So if we have, okay, coordinate plane, okay, and we'll go more into this later, but let's say we're looking at a line, okay, on that graph, okay. So very simple, and we read it left to right. If it's going up, it's positive. If it's going down, it's negative. If it is flat, it is zero. And if it is straight up and down, it is undefined. Okay. And we'll practice all these. Again, just got to get them down. Okay. And the last thing I want to talk about on slope is, well, I'm going to box it in, and this is the slope formula. Okay. And in slope formula, and again, just get it written down, we're going to have y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Get all this stuff written down. This is your first section of notes.